Just look at her.
Huh?
Sitting around.
Sam?
Sam!
Hey, what's wrong?
What? Why are you sitting here?
Sam, that's rude.
Whatever. Where is it?
What?
I lost it. You could look for it.
What are you talking about?
Sanity. Where is my sanity?
Oh, now I get it. It's wherever you left it.
To leave something at some place, it has to be somewhere.
Well, that's philosophical.
In short, I need a house.
I'll make it even shorter. Apologize and we'll build it.
Sue, I'm sorry.
Accept it, Sammy.
Thank you.
Hi, guys.
Yep.
Sam, our viewers have nothing to do with the loss of your sanity.
That's reasonable. Hi.
Don't mind him. Soon we'll build a house for Sam with cardboard parts.
Well, if I don't take this into my hands, we'll sit here forever.
Then go ahead and take it. And don't forget your cardboard. And while Sam is grumpily cutting out parts, I'll take care of this mechanism. We've used pumps like this before. In this craft, it will help us create something super cool. I just need to connect it to the switch. It will be a unique feature of Sam's house. You'll see. I'm sure that he'll find his sanity right away from the moment he sees this feature. Guys, please work with wires only under adult supervision. Be careful. And now, a bit of magic. So, let's check. It's working! This is so cool!
I guess you'll need this part first.
Right guess. This is the base where we marked the position of our house.
And what's this for? Why are there holes in my house, huh?
Sammy, don't grumble. We'll need it for the craft. See?
Oh, a button. I like these things.
Sam, tell me, when did you lose your sanity?
Why are you asking?
I'm just curious. I might even know where it could be.
Oh, really? Where?
Try to look in your house when it's ready.
Very funny.
Oh, come on. I'm just joking.
And I already prepared these parts.
I see you were busy working for your house. I love it when you're like that. And another one. Hey, you did great, and I'm not sitting around as well.
Come on, praise me more! Listen, what is this thing? I can't guess.
Oh, Sammy, there will be a very important part of your new house here.
What? What?
A jacuzzi, Sammy! We'll make you a real chalet with a jacuzzi!
Whoa! Then I'm off to get more parts.
There we go. That's how we make a lovely stairway.
Phew! I made it. I'm on time, right, Sue?
Perfect timing as always, Sammy. We're installing the walls. Guys, be careful while working with hot glue.
I was in a real hurry. I can't wait to see my new chalet.
As they say, slow and steady wins the race.
I will make haste carefully because I'm a master.
I see that you've cheered up. It's nice to see you back to normal.
It's not for long. The effect of false sanity ends when I'm not crafting.
And if you do some magic, will it help?
Huh. I don't know. What do you have here?
More walls, Sammy.
Huh. Okay. Chalet Magicus! I think it looks awesome.
Ooh, a special spell for the chalet. It came out great.
Of course. Well, I'll go think about the decor.
And I'll take care of the doors. Here's the beautiful one I've got, made from popsicle sticks. We'll install it here. I believe in this chalet. It will defo help Sam find his sanity. And what do you think, guys? Give a thumbs up if you agree. What? What's going on? Oh, I guess Sam was casting the decor spell so loudly that the doors installed by themselves. That's what I call teamwork. So, another part is on the spot. Our chalet will not only have a jacuzzi, but a balcony as well. Sam, where's your super decor?
Here, the decor is partly ready. The rest is in progress.
Ooh, that's a very beautiful wooden decor. You can start here and I'll prepare the other part.
Trust it to me. So... come on!
Did you finish with the decor?
Oh, yes, it's ready.
Then I'm on time. Oh, it came out amazing!
Well, we're making a chalet, so everything should be perfect.
Then you'll defo like this perfect sighting. Check out this beautiful tile.
I approve. Go on.
The teamwork continues, guys. Do you like making crafts with family and friends? It's more fun and faster, right? Actually, it's possible to make it even faster. Ta-da! Amazing!
You didn't forget about the grout, did you?
Of course I didn't. Everything is under control. See? Nothing to worry about. Hop. There you go. Beautiful.
Then let's decorate the walls together.
Let's do it. Here we go. Phew! That wasn't easy, but we made it together.
Susan, I calculated everything and understood that it's high time for me to take care of the jacuzzi.
Really? Okay, go ahead.
I hear some kind of doubt in your voice.
Oh, well, I thought that we'll make everything together, including the jacuzzi.
Susan, jacuzzi it is! It is! I planned something amazing!
Oh, and you can't even share your plans with me?
Oh, I have to do everything myself.
Okay, I got it. It's part of the quest to find your sanity.
Yes, exactly.
I hope the owner of this beautiful chalet will defo stay calm and sane, but we can't achieve it without a roof. Here it is. Our roof will be covered with tiles like this. We'll make everything fast and careful. Snap! Ta-da!
Still, I give you an A+ for craft magic. Here you go.
Oh, thanks. Did you set aside your work on the jacuzzi to make these beams?
I want my house to be sturdy and secure, Sue.
And safe?
And safe, of course.
Then we'll make the railing for our terrace. We'll need lots of long, thin skewers.
Sue, like this.
Do you have your own storage?
Don't underestimate me. I've dreamed about building my own houses forever.
Awesome. Then I'll build the first railing and you'll repeat after me with the rest.
I'm all ears, Master. Called a great craft builder.
We'll fix the skewers on the cardboard using some pins. This way they won't move while we glue them.
It's like a small alley. Shall we plant some flowers here?
No, because this is the actual railing, a small part of it to be precise. Here, I also have some short skewers ready. Now we'll apply the glue to the short stick on both ends, and we'll place the short pieces across the long one. We need to place the short sticks evenly, like this. In the end, we'll get something like a ladder.
I got it. I'll bring the rest now.
Okay, Sammy, and I'll install the first part.
Sue, I brought everything. Here!
Thanks, Sam. Fast slime. I need to speed up too. Up. Now everything is safe.
But it should be comfortable as well. Check it out.
Whoa! That's Sam's style level of comfort. There are tiles here too. We'll connect the tube and set it on its place. It fits perfectly.
Only the landscape design is left. Design. I feel like some kind of lawnmower, not a designer.
Sammy, stop complaining. It came out great.
Okay, it really is great.
We'll also make a path from bricks.
Yes, because it's not allowed to walk on the grass. I'm very strict.
I noticed. And when you're tired of walking, you can sit on a bench.
What did I bring the trees for? Where are they?
Sammy, one thing at a time. Here are the trees.
Phew, then I'm cool.
Okay, I guess we got everything. We just need to get the jacuzzi working. Let's add lots of water.
Whoa, can I move in? Wow!
Yes, Sammy, the house is yours!
Oh, so
Let's do some cleaning. Just like this. So, Sammy, can I congratulate you?
Sure, my sanity is with me again. I'm sorry for my behavior, Sue. I apologize. It's just that I dreamed about my own house for so long, and now I have it. It's a real chalet.
Okay, Sammy, it's fine, but don't do it again.
Never. If you like my chalet with the jacuzzi, then give a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel not to miss anything.
Shoo! Let's go have a cup of tea on the balcony.
Let's go. Bye-bye, everyone.
Drop in for a cup of tea, everyone. Bye-bye.